Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about information model, types of information models, in which engine it will work, and we have discussed about some attribute view, right? Fine. We will discuss a few more things in the attribute views. In the last class, I couldn't show you what is the default package, so default schema. See, in this catalog, SAP HANA DB is a default schema. This one, right? But how can I identify? This is the default schema. If I create something table in application layer, then the table will save in the database layer, right? At the time, how can I search here in which schema the table is saving? A lot of schemas are there. In which schema it is saving? Now I will open SAP GUI or ABAP perspective. So this is the ABAP perspective, right? And one more thing, if you guys are not able to see the icons like this, okay, some ABAP perspective, HANA Molar perspective like that, if you guys are not able to see here, so for that one, we have to click on Windows and perspective button, and here open perspective and other. Okay, other. Click on that other button. Now you can see all the perspectives, so which are available in the system. Okay, and now I am just adding something. Java. Okay, I want to add Java here in this here. Now I'm clicking on open button here. This is a Java perspective. The icon added here. Okay, so in this way we can add the perspectives. So this is the shortcut here. The main route is Windows perspective and open perspective and click on other button. Now you can see all the perspectives. So this is the main route here. And if you are not able to find out some ABAP perspective or some HANA modeler perspectives, okay, then you have to install this software here. Okay. In this Eclipse, we have to click on help button and we have to click on install new software here, and here we need to give some link. Okay, you just Google it here. Okay, ABAP perspective installation in Eclipse or in HANA Studio. So we will get a lot of blogs and we will get some links also. Okay, for example, I am taking something this link. Okay, in Google, I have found out this link here. Just copy and paste it here. Now, okay, just I think this link is working here. Now you can see something ABAP development tool. You have to select it and you have to click on next and finish like that. You have to do this one. Okay, so this link you will get from Google. Okay, there is no other option. You need to check for that from that one only. Fine. And I just came to ABAP perspective now. Now here I want to open SAP GUI. In Eclipse only, I want to open SAP GUI. At the time, here the symbol is there, the icon is there. Okay, Control 6 is the shortcut key for that one. So click on this icon and click on OK button. So now you can see. Okay, you can see the SAP GUI screen. So click on display button. Okay, so here it is displaying like, so even I have opened something table, but it is displaying like something view format. Okay, so if you want to display the table as it is, then we have to go to SAP GUI only. If you open from this Eclipse, so it will display like this. Okay, and so SC38 remaining thing same thing. Okay, so how it will display in SAP GUI in the same way it will display here. Okay, except the tables. Tables will display in the format of some coding format. Okay, so fine. I will go to SAP GUI once here. Okay, here click on system status. Now we can see here schema on the user. Okay, user is SAP HANA DB and the schema is also SAP HANA DB. So user means, so here I am opening the system by using my credentials. Okay, so S49 AH14 something, the user ID like that. Okay, each and every one will contain different user IDs, right? So I am creating something table, okay, by using XYZ user ID. But while saving the data, while saving the table in the database layer, so by using this HANA DB user only, the table will save. Okay, in the front end, in the application layer, so we are using something user ID, but in the database layer, in the database layer, the table will save on top of this user ID. Okay, so maximum what the user ID, so with that user ID only, SAP will create the schema. Okay, some configuration will do with the name of user ID. Both names should be same. Username and a schema name. Okay, fine. So this is a standard schema. Okay, this is standard schema. If you create something, tables or programs, methods, whatever it is, so those all will save in this schema here. SAP HANA DB. Okay, fine. I will open that one here in database layer. Database layer means we have to go to HANA modeler perspective. Okay, so this is the HANA DB, SAP HANA DB schema. So in this one, we can see the tables. Okay, fine. And now coming to this attribute view, right? So attribute views, this information models we can create in the content folder, right? So expand it here, and I have created one package for our objects AOH2 about 1 or 2 batch, and attribute view I have created ATM square material, right? Now just execute it, activate and execute it here. Okay, fine, yes. Okay, we can see the status here, completed successfully, and click on execute button, click on raw data here. So now we can see the data here. Okay. Oh, okay. Here maximum, here 200 records only it is fetching. I will check like this. I will give something maximum numbers here, 5000 I will give here. Okay, total 1970 records are available and it is fetching in 42 microseconds. Fine. I'm just checking for duplicate entries here because I'm mapping MARA and MAKT. Okay. Okay. For a single material, they will maintain some multiple language descriptions. But here they are not maintaining any. I mean, other than English language, they are not maintaining any description here. Okay, maybe single. But in our real time, we will get the duplicate records in MAKT. Okay, so single material but uh, different descriptions in different languages, right? So at that time, I want to give something condition here. Okay, so the language master should be English only. Okay, at that time, what we have to do here? So in this situation, it is not displaying any duplicates because there is no multiple language descriptions here, only single language description is there, so it is not showing. But in real time we have to give some filter here. How can we give filter? Okay, and here we are selecting MAKTX here, right? Just right click on it. Okay, and here apply filter is there, so click on this button and now we can see MAKTX, sorry, not MAKTX, I have to take for SPRAS. Okay, just right click on this SPRAS and click on apply filter. Okay, SPRAS is equal to English, right? So I'm just maintaining E. So if you use something EN also, if you check in normal program and we are giving something input as EN, English language, for SPRAS. If you see this one in the debugging mode, then it will take the first character only. Okay, so that's why I'm taking here E and click on OK here. Okay, save and validate and activate it. Okay, and execute it. Okay, the data will display in the same way, there is no change. Okay, here in this case. But if you have something multiple records, then it will display only single record. Okay, if you have any different system, then you can check it here. Fine. Now this is the attribute view. Okay, fine. Now I want to use this attribute view in the ABAP layer. This is in database layer. Okay, directly in database I have created this view, but I want to use this view in application layer in normal SE38 transaction. I'm creating something program. At the time I want to write a self query on top of this view. Okay, but directly this is not possible, so we need to create one more view here. Okay, so I will go to application layer. Application layer is nothing but ABAP perspective here. So I'm just going to ABAP perspective here and okay, so JS is on package. So in ABAP layer, right click on the package, click on new and click on other ABAP repository object, and here select a dictionary, expand the dictionary folder. Here dictionary view is there, right? So just select it and click on next button. Okay, dictionary view, and here we need to give the view name. In the application layer I am trying to create one view. Okay, and here I am just giving this is a material information, right? So Z80 underscore MAT I will give here. Okay, Z80 underscore material I am giving, and here this is the dictionary view. Dictionary view means, so in SE38 how can we create the views? In SE11 transaction we can create some the projection view, database view, help view, maintenance view, like that we will create, right? So that is the dictionary view here. Okay, and if we click on next button, it will ask the type of the view: projection, database, help view, maintenance view, like that. But now I don't want to create that type of view. I want to uh, create one external view here. External view means Already we have created some attribute or analytical or calculation views in the database layer. And if you want to use those views in the application layer in the ABAP program, then we have to create one external view. Okay, we have to create one external view in the application layer, and we have to select here the database view. In the database, whatever the view we have created, here AT underscore material, I have created this attribute view, right? So this attribute view name we have to give here. AT underscore material. Okay. So after providing this name, okay, we have to click on control space. Otherwise, we have to click on browse button. Okay, here it is showing AT underscore material hyphen AOH2 and AT underscore material pole. Okay, AT underscore material is JF1. So same, there is no difference in the name, but the package is different here. Okay, this is AOH2, this is pole package, and this is the SJF1 package. Packages are different here. So our package is available in AOH2. Sorry, our view, our attribute view is available in AOH2 package. So select this one and click on OK button. Now here give the description, material information. Okay, material information and click on next button. And now it is asking something TR. Okay, it is asking something TR. So select the TR here and click on finish button. Okay, so in the application layer, Z80 underscore material a view has created. This is external view. If you see this one, view type is external view here. Z80 underscore material, right? So same thing, I will open an S11 transaction. Okay, and click on view button here and Z80 underscore material. Click on display button. Now you can see the name and the fields. So whatever the fields we are selecting in the uh, attribute view. So same fields are coming here, and if you see the type external view, okay. Normally it will display like projection database self view like that. It will display here, but now external view. External view means the view is coming from database view directly. Okay. So this is the problem here. So if you are, for example, I am creating something program, SC38 program, or I am creating something class in SC24. Okay, so those things we can use directly in a web layer, right? But now coming to this one, attribute analytical calculation, information model views, we have to create the view in database layer, and after that one, we have to create one external view. Okay, we have to create one external view on top of that information model view. So we can use that external view in a web layer. So same work we have to do 2 times. Okay, and one more thing, and transporting is also very difficult here. Transporting, for example, this Z80 material view is there, right, in the on the data dictionary, sorry, in the database layer. Now I want to move this one to quality of production. Okay, here by using delivery unit, we need to move the object in ABAP. I mean, in the ABAP layer, by using tier transport request, we can move that object from one level to another system, right? So here by using delivery unit, we have to move. Okay. Okay, here. This is ABAP layer. And here div layer is there. And now here I'm creating something attribute view. Okay. So it will save in the delivery unit. It will save in the delivery unit. So I'm creating one external view on top of this attribute view. Okay. Here, external view I'm creating, but this view is saving in the transport request number TR, it is saving. Okay. Now I'm moving this TR. Okay. I'm moving this TR to quality system. Quality system. So at that time, it will show some errors. Okay, it will show some errors because the tier is okay, the external view is okay, but the root view, okay, the base view is this one, this attribute view. This attribute view is saving the delivery unit. This delivery unit has to move to quality first. Okay, if you don't move this attribute view or this delivery unit to quality system, then the tr should not move to quality. It will throw some errors. Okay, some dependency is there. Okay, if we miss something here, so the transport will fail here in the application layer, right? So this is some difficulty is there. Okay, some dumps will come. So to overcome this one, SAP is providing something, HANA transport container. Okay, I will show you that one also. So here, what we have to do first of all, we have to create an attribute view. Okay, attribute view. I'm just giving like ATN square MAT material, I think. Okay, ATM square material, I am creating it here. Attribute view name. Fine. This is okay, fine. And now we have to create. Okay, we have to create this view in some uh, uh package. Okay, I'm just clicking on the HANA modeler, and so this is the ATM square material attribute view, right? So this one we have to save in one package. So that package will move to total package will move to quality and production system here. Okay, but in ABAP layer that's not like that. The package will be in the same. I mean, it will still remain there. Whatever the objects are there, those objects will move from development to quality, quality to production, like that. Okay, here it's not like that. So if we have something package here, I mean in the different package, then we have to copy this or we have to cut this attribute view and we have to paste in appropriate package which is moving from development to quality, quality to production, like that. Here I have given the package name as AOH2. So package is AOH2. Fine. Fine. Package also is okay. Now we have to assign this AOH2 to one delivery unit. Okay. We have to assign this AOH to one delivery unit. This is also fine. Now we have to see here something. Delivery unit. Where is it? 1 minute. Windows. Something option is there for 1 minute. I'm checking for that one. something option is there. Where is it? 1 minute, guys. Something Windows. Show view, and here something others. Here something, just type here something quick view. Click here, quick view is there. Click on open here. Okay, this is the okay quick view. This is okay, fine. And here generate time delivery. Sorry, here only. So in the starting only it is available. See, sometimes we cannot see this quick view here. So it will become like this. Now we have to open that quick view here. So for that one, click on Windows button here, something show view, and click on others, and here just type here quick view something. Here quick view is coming. Okay, so if you are not able to see directly here, just type here something quick view. Okay, just select it and click on open button here. Now we can see quick view here in one pop-up. Okay, in this one, first one is the delivery unit. Okay, so here select the username here. Click on next button. Okay, and here we have to select the package. Okay, and where is it? So before that one, I will create something delivery unit here. Okay, one new delivery unit I will create it here. So click on create button. Sometimes you will see the screen like this. Okay, so you cannot see the create button here. So you have to expand this one and click on create button and the delivery unit name. Okay, du something material information. I am just giving here material information. Fine, and click on OK button. Okay, so here the du underscore material, this is the delivery unit material. Now I have to add the packages. Okay, so this delivery unit will move to quality system, right? So in this delivery unit, how many packages are there? Those all packages will move to quality system. Now I have to add a package here. Just click on add button, and now here AOH2, right? Select it and click on finish button here. Okay, so that AOH2 came here. AOH2, the delivery unit is the DU material, and if you select something other than delivery unit, I am just selecting DU triple X here. So these are the objects, these are the packages I have selected, and I am selecting the delivery unit DU underscore material. AOH2 is there, and click on finish button here. Okay, delivery unit is created now. Fine. So what is the delivery unit? Delivery unit is DU underscore material. Okay, so in this DU material, I have assigned AOH2 package. Okay, fine. So this delivery unit is created, and I have assigned that package to the delivery unit. Fine. Now I have to create one HANA transport container. Okay, So for that one, go to the, where is it? Here, go to ABAP perspective here. Okay, and here something project symbol is there, right? So expand this one. So if you use something HANA transport container, then it will show here. Okay, if you did not use, then it will not show here. For the first time, we have to do like this. Click on this symbol, click on other button here. Okay, so you have to click on this drop down button and click on others button, and now you have to search for HANA. Here HANA transport container is coming. Okay, so if you don't find out here, then you can search here. Okay, HANA transport container, select it and click on next button here. Fine. And here the package. Okay, I will give something ZSJF. Okay, this package is an application layer. In SC38 we will create something program and we will save something package, and after that one it will ask something tier number like that, right? So here also same package I am giving. Okay, this is not HANA package, I mean database package. This is application layer package. Okay, and here we have to provide HANA delivery unit. Okay, HANA delivery unit I have given like du underscore material. Okay, click on control space here. Okay, so this is the delivery unit du underscore material, right? Just double click on it. Now you can see the next button is in enable mode. Okay, so if you don't give here I am not giving any control space like that, then it is not showing in enable mode. Next button, you have to click on control space button, then it will show the delivery unit. Just double click on it, and now next button is in enable mode. Okay, if you guys will do some mistake here, they will give something delivery unit, and after that one they will not see this next button enable mode. Okay, they will struck at that place. So click on control space, it will come, and click on next button, and here my objects, this is a tier number. Okay, tier number, and click on finish button. Now this HANA transport container I have created now. Okay, HANA transport container I have created. HANA transport container, and it has saved in one tier. Okay, saved in one tier. So if we open this HANA transport container, we can see the delivery unit. And if we open the delivery unit, we can see the package. And if we see the package, then we can see the material, right? The view, attribute view we can see here. So this is the process. If we move the TR, okay, if we move the TR from development to quality, quality to production, then these all things also will move from development to quality, quality to production, like that. Okay, and if we move some, if we do something mistake here, then it will go to dump. It will not show anything. It will show something errors. Okay, each and every step we have to take care here. Okay, but it is a bit difficult here. We have to map the objects in appropriate packages, and that package we need to move to something. I mean, we have to map to delivery unit. This delivery unit we have to move to HANA transport container in ABAP perspective, and it will create something TR. That TR will move to quality. So it will take some time as well, and some risk also is there. If we miss something, or if we add unwanted objects to the package, then those also will move to quality, right? To overcome this one, okay, to overcome this one, these all things, SAP has introduced CDS views. Okay, core data services. So here the CDS will create in the ABAP layer only, in application layer only. So if we create something, view name, CDS view. Okay, I'm giving something name like ZABC. Okay, so at the time in the database layer also, okay, it will create some view name. Okay, we will give something name, and on that name it will say like this ZABC1 or something name. Okay, while creating the CDS view at that time only I will give the database layer view name also. Okay, at that time whenever I'm activating this view, at the same time the view will create in the database layer also. Okay, so it will save in transport TR, so I will move easily this TR to quality production, like that I will move. So at that time only the database layer view also will move from development to quality production. There is no dependency here. Okay, transport, the class will disconnect in 1 minute, please reconnect it once again. Okay, there is no dependency, and transport management is very easy by using CDS views. Okay, coming to this information model views, the transport management is difficult here. Okay, and we cannot write complexities in the view here in the HANA views. Okay, in information model views, attribute analytical calculation, we are just dragging and dropping. If you want to write something bit complexity, it is not possible.